doing the Do Not Choose the Wrong Mystery Box Challenge Slime Edition game. So, we have, I think, 20 boxes, and we're gonna have 7 rounds. In each round, we're gonna choose a box, and whatever ingredient is in there, we're gonna put it in our bowl, and we're gonna see if we end up with slime or not. Both of us could end up with slime, or only one of us, or none of us ends up with slime. The possibilities are crazy. But some boxes can be empty too, so we can't choose the wrong one or we're not gonna have slime. So comment down below, who do you think will win this challenge? Me. Alright, so also before we get started, if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, if you want to follow us on all our social media, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Musical.ly, here are the names. Now let's get started! Alright, let's pick box 1. The first one you touch is the first one you get.
I think
This one. I want this one.
okay. 3, 2, 1.
Activator!
No! My slime is already ruined. Okay.
Just little bomb-bombs.
I'm only putting in like, I feel like I'm doing backwards slime right now.
Leah!
Oops. At least it's just cardboard.
Okay, round 2.
Okay. Next round.
Behind me. I feel like I want to go
This
for
one.
the one that I sprayed.
Box.
I need to say sorry inside it. Clear glue! Ooh, glitter glue.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side.
Glitter glue. I got glitter glue. I'm gonna put this one.
Okay. We both got glue. So yeah. Leah already kind of has slime. I feel like I'm gonna have clear slime. But if I get color, I'm gonna be mad because I never made clear slime, basically.
Alright guys, put your comments down below. Who do you think is gonna win? Who do you think will end up with
I already
slime?
said in the first part of the video, I am going to win. You're not. Yes, I am. Because I am the queen of slime.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
Okay, well, Karina Garcia is.
Time for box number 3!
I think this one. This huge one. I got nothing inside.
I got foam.
I got foam balls. I had nothing inside. Oh no.
No!
Okay. I feel like this is gonna be wild when I open it up. I can just use my scissors.
That was the wrong box.
Okay. Get out, get out, get out.
What even is this? Styrofoam? Or foam?
I think it's
Alright, that's enough. That's enough.
okay.
Oh, alright.
Our mom doesn't like that sound. Our mom doesn't like that sound. Stop.
I like it. Okay.
Stop.
Oh, bumbles are everywhere.
Seriously?
We got it. Okay. Box 4.
You have one right here. It's like an earring.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Okay. I picked this one.
Glitter!
What? No, look at glitter. Look, Leah.
No.
It's confetti.
Confetti.
I picked the wrong box again. Glitter wrong.
Stop.
Okay, time for number 5.
Wow, this video is going fast.
Yay, glitter!
This one.
Glitter!
We both got glitter. Party time. Leah. Okay.
Bad girl.
I'm not a bad girl. I'm not a doggy.
Box 6!
Oh my god, this thing is going. I'm gonna go get this special box.
Me too. I'm gonna get this one.
There's definitely something inside. Yeah, this is really big.
Can I have that?
I want more.
I wanted that box, but you went for it first.
Alright, so I have 1 round left. We both have 1 round left, and I might not end up with
1 round left?
Uh-huh.
What? That's it? I'm good.
This is so... Okay, I need to go down for this. I
Can't drop this box, then we'll go.
feel I want to go for this one.
Okay, whew.
And I'm going for this one.
I thought there was nothing inside, but look.
Can we please have 1 more round? Oh my gosh, why?
Nothing has to. Can we have more rounds? Like 2
One
more
more
rounds?
round. 2. 1 last chance. I don't think I'll have time.
Yeah, everyone knew that
Middle.
already.
I knew that I was gonna win.
But first, I'm sorry.
Okay. Please, 1 more round. That's enough. I don't think you're gonna want all of them in your slime.
Okay, next round.
Alright, let's have 1 more round. Last round.
Wait, no, I went. I hope this is not activator.
It's shooting crack!
What?
This definitely is an activator. It's activator! I don't even know. Edible color spray?
What?
It's edible?
Then eat it. Taste it.
Okay,
Taste
hold
it.
Whoa!
It smells so good.
Oh my god, why did I do that?
It smells so good. Can I taste it?
Ew! It's not good. Don't.
Can I taste it?
I wouldn't taste it if I were you. Now I need a napkin. It tastes gross.
Oh. It tastes like hairspray.
I know. But it's edible. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go get you now.
So guys, obviously I lost this challenge, but I do want to check what's in the extra boxes. So
Now
let's do it.
What's this extra box?
Oh, come on. I got an empty box. And I got another empty box. I got 2 blues.
Thank goodness.
2 pinks. Oh my gosh, 2 pinks. And 2 blues. We have like a giant pile of boxes right there.
Whoa.
Okay, so I'm going, obviously I lost and we know that, but I'm going to add activator and compare our slimes.
Okay.
I just want to see how my slime would turn out.
Can I mix now?
Baking soda!
Yeah, we
Thank you!
Oh my god, I miss you so much. Done. 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 Done.
I don't need that much.
Okay, now let's mix. I'm so excited to see what the color is going to be.
Oh my god, my slime looks like a dumpster. Guys, post your comments down below whose slime do you like more.
I should have not added those big jumbo balls. That was a very bad idea. Look at this.
Didn't I tell you something, Leah?
Look at this, guys. This looks like it just came out of a trash can. But I only like the glitter, nothing else.
And here's my slime. It's looking a lot better than Leah's. But still, I don't like the balls. Alright guys, so I guess we'll see you when we're done mixing. Because this is going to take a while to mix. Or, you know, I'm almost done. But it's going to take a while for Leah to mix.
Yeah.
Let's go. I mean, I guess I'll see you when we're done mixing. Alright guys, so, well, we're done mixing our slimes. I rolled my slime up into a ball. But here is my slime.
And
Obviously, I lost the challenge, but I like how my slime turned out.
my slime turned out better.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Look, guys, look at this.
And guess what, guys? I got this shirt at Poland, and like, it looks so identical.
I absolutely love my slime. Look, it looks like an orb or something. And look at my slime. It's so stretchy. Mine is really stretchy too. Whoa,
And this
what
is
happened?
kind of like itchy because they have those like little feathers inside.
Feathers? Alright guys, so comment down below whose slime do you like better? The color, the
Look.
texture, and the stretchiness.
So that is all for today.
Can we compare?
Well, we did, kind of.
Oh.
That's all for today. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. And post your comments down below. Whose slimes do you like better? And obviously Leah won the challenge.
Yay!
Whose slimes do you like better? Mine or Leah's?
Can I poke?
Okay.
Poke.
Alright guys, so please, well, I said give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. Bye!